do a little maintenance here. You guys seen this location in another video. Just gonna go over a few things. These are condenser water pumps. These are the chilled water pumps. Don't you just love the sound of that pump? I'm just gonna pull these strainers here. Condenser water in. They got the baskets inside. I'll show you guys that. Martin, let the pressure release a little bit. Okay, just let that go. We're just gonna release some of this pressure. What the hell is dripping in my head? It's the boiler? No. These are little mini Lars boilers. They're cool. They work nice. Okay. So we'll let that drain. We'll get back to it. So Martin's gonna open up that plug. Like I said, we gotta put in a screw-on ball valve. We'll just drain this all the way. Maybe a little water coming out. See, with the ball valve it would have been a lot easier. Now if you're on top of a building doing this, you want to connect the hose. You get a hose bib, a boiler valve, put it right into the drain. This will cause head pressure issues. Let me see if I can get you something in there. Well, you know what? It's not so terrible. I've seen way worse than this. I gotta kind of fetch it in there. I'm in. See that hook? It's like come on, baby. Gotta scale that pipe, you know, it makes it difficult. Alright, let me get that loose. Clogged up. Clean them really good. They're nice and clean. You can see right through them. Alright. And I'm just going to go ahead and just put them back in the way I took them out. Slide them back in there. One. Two. Just slide them right back in. Same way I took them out. Slide them in. That's my new. Alright. Martin, go clean this. Just wash it off. Okay? This way, that'll work good. But you still want to do it. Slide this over a little bit to that one, right there. So all we're going to do is we're going to slide this between this one. You want to put it in the middle of the groove. There you go. Okay, so we got that there. Let me just show you what I'm talking about in between the grooves. You have two grooves here and here. You want to get in between those two grooves, because that's what going on. Okay. Oh, pick it up a little bit. Don't let it jump here. So when you tighten this up, you kind of want to tighten them evenly. Okay. All right. So now Martina's gonna. Remember I tell you about the, you open it, get yourself comfortable. You don't want to like squeeze wide open, you know, handles. There you go. And sometimes you want to just give it a little shake if it doesn't go on properly. You know what I mean? So just give it a little shake. All right, you guys good. That's it. Open them slowly, go ahead. Very slow. You should open the other one first. Where's coming in? Yeah, slow, slow. Okay, let it fill. to stop. Let it fill. You hear that noise stopping, then you open it. And then we'll bleed it from the top. One way. Okay. Now you open it all the way. There you go. As soon as you hear the hissing sound, stop. So that's what you do for me. Okay. This is the heat exchanger plate. Start the pumps. I just love that sound. Don't you love that sound? Love the startup. Same here. Auto. Like an airplane, right? 60 hertz. All right. So the next thing we're gonna do. Hey, I don't remember which one was the compressor that was grounded. Which one? Number 4 and what? And 2? And you just wanna. Yeah, hold up. I'm coming. Check all the wires. Make sure nothing's burnt. Nothing's cooked. No French fries. That's all you do. You know. Just want to make sure everything is in working order. Checked all the contactors, relays. You just pretty much go through all of them. Just make sure.